So a quick recap of what we have seen with Asian markets this week. Certainly we have expected the theme to focus upon monetary policy with US inflation data that's going to be due Friday today in the US session, but that said, we have certainly seen that tension with regards to North Korea and the US taking over the highlights for markets. So certainly we have heard from President Donald Trump and also UN themselves exercising those sanctions upon North Korea with their missile testing, but that reaction coming through from North Korea highlighting detailed plans on attack to Guam had actually really heightened the jitters for markets, and the risk of sentiments has actually driven the S&P 500 index and also the Dow Jones index to print their worst one-day percentage fall in Thursday's session. And certainly for Asian markets here on Friday, it's been a streak of red as well. But for the upcoming week, what are some of the key items that we are going to look out for? Certainly for the full suite of events, once again I have to emphasize, go to the IG website and seek out the IG calendar to see the key events. But that's it, I'm just going to highlight a few items, and certainly I think we'll start with that theme with regards to North Korea. So we have seen that risk of sentiment driving up some of these haven trades, including gold prices seen trading just below 1290 Friday morning here in Asia, and I know 1,300 figure, so a break there could certainly bring about further upsides for gold prices. And meanwhile, not to forget, dollar yen has actually slipped below 109. The strengthening yen suddenly seems to be the place to be, given that risk of jitters within markets over here. But that aside, we really want to see what are some of the key items next week, and I would think that this time with the Fed minutes and also the ECB minutes due to be released, that could certainly drive back some of this attention towards monetary policy. So we have had known that we have a dovish Fed and also a very hawkish ECB within the picture at this current moment. I do think that the minutes that's going to come through next week could pivot some of this attention back. So one would recall that the hawkish comments coming through from ECB President Mario Draghi had certainly driven up the euro, and with euro US dollar hanging just below the 1.18 level, I think we will look at a resurgence over there next week should we actually find the words coming through moving the markets once again. And not to forget the Asian region, we certainly have Japan's Q2 GDP that's going to be due on Monday. Markets median consensus currently expect Q-on-Q figure to accelerate to 0.6%, and I think that would actually be quite a plus for the Japanese market, if not for what we've seen with the safe haven trade at this current moment. So look out for the dynamics over there. And last but not least, we are going to continue expecting data coming through from China that could influence the Asian region, and this time we have fixed asset investment, industrial production, and also retail sales number coming out on Monday. So as things stand, the market is really expecting industrial production and retail sales to moderate slightly, pretty much with the data that we have seen this week, including trade numbers that was out this week. So I think that itself could really cap a little bit of the gains for Asian markets, and this is against the backdrop of what's happening with North Korea.